I want to be remembered like an old pair of jeans, the kind that fit perfectly every time, no matter how much time has passed. The kind where colors have faded and the threads have come apart, yet you find comfort in them. I want to be remembered like the sheer satisfaction of eating melted chocolate from the wrapper. Yes, it's messy, but it gives pure childlike joy. I want to be remembered like a cigarette mark left by a friend or another friend's hand on a drunken night. I want to be remembered like a peaceful smile on a person's face after escaping from scorching heat by standing in front of a cooler. I want to be remembered in the same way as mothers tuck in bundles of notes into the palms of their children for a rainy day. I want to be remembered like an old love's phone number, the digits that you remember by heart, long after they have left your heart. I want to be remembered like a father's pat on the back, or that slight slap on the cheek, a small gesture that is high on emotions. I want to be remembered like that black and white old photograph, safely tucked inside the wallet, holding more value than any amount of money. I want to be remembered like that old song that Dadaji sings for Dadi at every family function. Timeless, like love. I want to be remembered like a lover's hickey on the neck, the intimate touch that one plays with, reminiscing that passionate encounter. I want to be remembered like love, the kind of love that gives you warmth and comfort, like an old black and white photograph, or a cigarette mark, or that melted chocolate, or a magic spell that continues to work. I realized the value to be remembered by losing someone I can never forget. I believe that he wanted to be remembered like a home-cooked rajma chawal, always making everyone happy. Have you ever stubbed your toe at the edge of a door? Your body withers with pain, making you unable to breathe. Losing someone feels just like that every day. I thought and I believed that losing him was the toughest thing I could have done ever in my life. I soon realized accepting that loss was far more tougher. As I hold his clothes close to my chest, I yearn for him. But all that I find is his memories, not him. Every moment of my life that I mourn his death, I try to forget this loss. All I do is remember his life and the memories that are attached with him that give me comfort. Just like an old pair of jeans, no matter how much time has passed. Death, it gives you a reason to live, and it tells you that the key to being alive is not to live, but to be remembered.